this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm here in a Preferred King swim out room. I'm going to take you on a tour. So right here we walk in and we have a nice spacious closet, plush bathrobes, slippers, an umbrella, and plenty of hangers. And on this side here we have an extra pillow, steamer, in-room safe, and drawers for storage. Walking through here we have the bathroom. It's a nice large walk-in shower that has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And some storage shelves to keep your toiletries. We have a nice sink area with a double vanity and the toilet, and it does come with plenty of little extra amenities: mending kit, dental kit, shower cap, shoe mitt, and a sewing kit, hair comb, bug spray, some nice little incense. And walking back out into the main part of the room, we have a nice full-length mirror. A fold-out sofa. And a gorgeous king bed with a nightstand on each side. Here's the QR code for the room service menu. You do get 24-hour room service here. There are also USA plugs, so if you're coming from the States, you don't need to worry about bringing a converter. Nice little lamps in case you want to do some reading at night. Back over here, we have a nice little workspace if you need to get any work done on your trip, and a smart TV where I was able to connect to my Netflix account in the evening if you just want to come back and relax in your room. There's a bar set up here. Because you're preferred, you do get the bottle of alcohol, the M&Ms, and Pringles. There's also an espresso machine, water, and the fridge comes fully stocked with beverages for you. And out here is an amazing swim up. So a nice little bistro, table and chairs. And here you have your swim out room. So you have this nice little pool, and this room is overlooking the preferred area pool. So to use the pool in front of us, you need to be a preferred guest. You also, with preferred, get breakfast and lunch at Oceana Restaurant, as well as the club lounge up on the 7th floor. So this is the amazing swim out room that is a Preferred King. When you're ready to book your next vacation, please reach out to Straightaway Travel. We don't charge any planning fees to work with us. We are here to help you every step of the way, make your vacation absolutely perfect. Please reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com and be sure to follow our YouTube channel.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at zero cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.